If you want to hard reset your Redmi 15 via recovery mode, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna press power button and volume up at the same time, like this. Let's give it another try. There we go, and we need to swipe up to turn off our device. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and once that happens, you will have to press and hold these two buttons again. So you'll have to hold these two buttons now, and keep holding until you feel the vibration or see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the logo, you want to release the power button and only hold volume up. So I'm gonna press and hold both buttons first, power button and volume up, and now only volume up. And just keep holding volume up until you enter the recovery mode. And there we go. Now we can release the volume up button. Over here in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. And of course, you want to choose wipe data option and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. In case you see some additional instructions or options on the screen, then you just have to follow them and they will work the same way. So remember to use volume buttons to go up or down, and confirm your choice by pressing power button. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.